In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your car icon in Waze. If you've ever wanted your vehicle to stand out on the map, this quick customization will do the trick. It's simple, takes less than a minute, and works on both iOS and Android. Before we start, make sure you're on the main map screen in the Waze app, and that the app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. First, open the Waze app. You should see your current route or the standard map view. From here, look to the top left of your screen for the menu button. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap that to open the main menu where the app's most important options live. Next, tap the Settings button. You'll recognize it by the little gear icon. This is where Waze keeps all the preferences that control how the app looks and behaves, so heading here is the right move whenever you want to tweak your experience. Inside Settings, find and tap Map Display. This section handles the visual side of your navigation, including labels, themes, and how certain elements appear during your drive. Since we're updating the way your car appears on the map, this is exactly where we need to be. Now tap Car Icon. This is the setting that controls the marker representing your vehicle as you move along the route. When you open it, you'll see a list of available designs. Browse through the options and choose the car icon that matches your style. Some are simple and sleek, others are more playful. Pick one that's easy for you to spot on the map, especially if you prefer high contrast visuals while driving. Once you've made your choice, you don't need to do anything special to save it. Waze applies the change immediately. Simply exit Settings. You can tap the back arrow or close the panel to return to the map screen. Back on the map, your new car icon will appear right away. Start moving or plan a route and you'll see your selected icon glide along your path. If you don't notice the change instantly, give the app a second to refresh or briefly reopen the settings and return to the map. This customization is purely visual, so it won't affect routing or directions, just the way your position looks on screen. That's all it takes to personalize your Waze experience with a new car icon. Enjoy the fresh look and happy navigating.